Hi guys, and this is a new cool tutorial about the TikTok app. So today we will show you how to zoom on TikTok. In this video, I will show you all of the possible options to do this, but first and foremost we need to open this application. So right now we are on our profile page in the TikTok app, and the first option we can create this zoom effect for in our TikTok is to go to the discover section before new video creation. So let's tap on this section at the bottom of the screen, and later we need to find the needful zoom effects. To add this effect later when we will create our new TikTok. So how to find this needful zoom effect? As I said, we need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, and set the zoom filter's name, which means that right now on the appeared list we can find all of the possible zoom effects. Let's do it. And as I said before, right now we have the list of all of the possible filters. Let's choose the first one, and after tapping on the red button opposite the name of the effect, I can start the new TikTok creation. And as you can see right now, I have selected that the effect with three different speeds. So let's tap on one I want to choose. For example, this one, the central 15 seconds. So in this way I can control the speed of my zoom effect and create a new TikTok after tapping on the central red button. So as you can see, the zoom effect works and everything is okay, but as I said, it was the first method to add our zoom effect for the video. And the second one, I think that this second option is really easier. So let's bring back our profile page, and as you can see right now we are on our standard page. So the second option to create this zoom effect is just to go to the video creation mode after tapping on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And we have a cool possibility to add the needful effect here. So not go to the discover section, but find the needful filter in the effect section here. So let's pick on this bottom effects icon. And as I said, I have this needful zoom effect here in my saved list. But if you want to find this filter, you can go to the editing section and scroll down the list to find the needful zoom effect. As you can see here, we have even more options. For example, this is that effect which I used before, but also we have another one with another speed option. So we have, for example, 6 seconds, 4 seconds, and also 2 seconds. So we can smoothly manage these filters. Also, you can find another one and choose different options you want. So no problem with that. I know that yes, we have here another filter, like to use the zoom for our face. So if you want to zoom only the face, you can use the third filter here. So this section is very useful and needful. Don't forget about it. So let's pick on the first filter as an example. I will choose this 15 seconds options too. And after, we can create a new TikTok picking on the central bottom. And well done! To save our created video, don't forget to pick on the check mark here on the right side. So later you can also choose the next option and save our created perfect video to the draft section or post it to our profile page. But as I said, the third option to use this zoom effect is if you don't want to create a new TikTok in the app, but you want to upload the saved video from your gallery. So how to work with such type of videos if you want to zoom them too. So let's pick on the plus button when we are on our profile page. Later, let's tap on the upload section and choose the needful video which we want to zoom. As an example, I will choose this one. Later, let's tap on the next option. So how to zoom this TikTok? So to add this effect, we need to tap on the effect section at the bottom of the screen. And as you can see here, we have, as you can see here, we have this special feature like zoom it. But remember that this option, this effect is very, very fast and so short. So don't forget that this effect will be really very, very short. I will, as you can see here in my video, I have this zoom effect too, so I will choose another time of my shooting. And later, let's pick on the zoom in option, but don't forget that you don't need only to tap on this button, but hold on it. Yep. As you can see, this effect is really very short, but it's cool that you can choose the needful time for it. So let's check the result after tapping on the play button at the central of the screen. Yes, as you can see, we have added our zoom in effect. Don't forget that you can also use another options, and for example, in the sticker section, we have also another options like zoom, face zoom. This is the same effect about which I said before, so you can use it if you want to show your face in your video. So let's check this option again, and you need to hold on this feature too. And later, let's pick on the play button to check the result. As you can see, this effect is so short, but it's very useful if you want to create some interesting effect when you show your face and talk about something in your video. So if you end the edition of your TikTok, let's tap on the save button, which is located at the top bar on the screen. And of course, you can choose the next option to save your created video. I will choose the draft section to add this new TikTok to our drafts. And right now, I hope that you know how to use this very special zoom effect. Remember that you have 3 different options, as I said before, so you can choose the discover section to find the needful effect. You can select the needful filter in the edition mode after tapping on the plus button, and you can also upload the created video from your gallery, and next to choose special effect in the edition mode. So guys, don't forget about likes, and don't forget also to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and on TikTok. Bye bye!